Hello there, welcome and welcome back to the YouTube channel. On today's video, it's a hiking video or an adventure vlog. I'll be hiking and I'm just planning to carry some fruits and some snacks along with me, and I want you to join me in the market because I'm going to buy the fruits. Then the rest, like popcorns and groundnuts, I'm planning to prepare them in the house so that I can just carry them along. So prepare with me the snacks, then come with me along to the market, see the fruit, then I'll show you the fruits that I buy. Then come along with me, come and meditate with me, enjoy nature. Yeah, so please enjoy this vlog. Already at the marketplace. These are the fruits that I'll be carrying when going for my adventure. I have these bananas, I have these four oranges, pineapple, and watermelon. I'll also be boiling some eggs, then make a guacamole and pack. Put cooking on this sufuria. Now I want to put salt. My salt. Then not too much. Just sprinkle my popcorns. Then I'll cover them, leave them for a while so they can pop. And my popcorn are ready. Next, I'm cooking these groundnuts. I want to fry them. I've just put salt and added groundnuts. So I'll just keep on stirring until they turn brown. Yeah, and they'll be ready. For the nuts, they are ready. I'm boiling these 4 eggs. Now these 2 tomatoes and 1 onion and corianders. I want to make a kachumbari. Oh, I also have an avocado here. This avocado. So I'll be making a guacamole for all these. And guacamole is ready. I didn't put too much avocado. Yeah. Yeah, this is everything that I will carry from the house. Then the rest I'll buy along the way, like supermarket or shops. I've made this guacamole. I have my groundnuts, my roasted groundnuts. I have boiled eggs here and watermelon, popcorns, these oranges, bananas, pineapple, and sugarcane. Yeah. Also, now I want just to wrap them, pack them, then the rest I'm just going to buy them later. Yeah. Before leaving to my adventure, I'll be having this fish and ugali. My body needs energy. Yeah. And so let's hug it. I'm through with preparing anything that I made. Now I want to go to freshen up, then start my journey to the hike. Yeah, and the weather today seems to be so awesome and favorable for the hike. It's sunny. Oh, once you are dropped by the vehicle, you walk all the way from there. Now you're walking downwards. And I've reached to the place, my hiking place.
and the charges of this place. A map to direct you to this place.
Waterfall. Adventure is getting lost.
Another signal to show you. Then here we are at the waterfall.
Nothing is cheaper than nature.
To the cave, cliff, and baboon.
Now this is the cave. We'll move that 7 meters to the cave, then we'll come back. Now let's get in for that 7 meters, then we shall come back out. Yeah.
A photo inside the cave. Looks awesome. Now we're going downwards to Baboon, where we shall have our lunch. Yo.
aside from the kids and a place to relax. Now I'm now heading to where I began the journey. Yeah. Sasa kazi ni kupanda milima. Tukishuka ilikuwa kuteremka. Ukienda na huku ilikuwa kuteremka. And right now it's kupanda milima. The energy now. Hey, yeah. And I'm climbing all the way to there. But at least there are some stairs. You can walk them, chill. Yeah. And what I can say about this place is so calming. You can come as a couple, as a crew, as a group, even as you alone to meditate. Sure. We're still going. We're still going. Woo. Let's go. You can hear the sounds of the birds and whew, nature, nature, nature. It's time to leave. So all the nature has been awesome. Hiking adventure has been great. Now it's time to leave home. Soothing meditation, yeah. And thanks for watching. Thank you for spending a day with me, hiking with me, enjoying nature. Yeah. See you in the next video.